Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Quince AI Weekly Drop. Every week, we talk a little bit about AI solutions and business, and without any BS or no nonsense, just straight to the value. This week, we have Christian with us from Malaga,
Hello, guys.
and we talk about a specific problem or frustration that comes up when you have a home project. So, when you start building something, you list out the things that you need, materials or tools or whatever, and you just go to the store, buy the stuff, and you start building it. And then in the end, in the middle of the project, you realize that you're like a plank short or some of the screws or whatever, and you go back and forward. We took you as an example, where we know some people that work there, very good people, and we were just inspired to kind of take their page and exemplify um, how can we do this? There is a chatbot that can actually help with these kind of projects. So let's say, for example, that you want to paint the kitchen. So in Swedish, that's köket, and this is where the chatbot starts working and thinking, preparing the project. Like what kind of steps do you need to do? Build that. Then it looks into all the offers that are in that store, what kind of tools and materials they sell, and it prepares the complete list that is ready to buy and go into the cart. Played with the numbers a little bit, and besides making the life easier for the people not to go back and forward, it also kind of increases around 40 to 42% of the conversion rate for the visitors. It also reduces the cost per lead. People get more engaged with the website, so it's less bounce rate. And it also, what is the most important, it increases through this upsell purpose. It increases 10% revenue. So it adds on top what people would usually buy.
Okay, yeah, that sounds really great. I mean, if I would like to implement that on my company, on my webpage that is doing similar things, like how do I take the next step to actually do this?
Yeah, I think that people are more than welcome to DM us, either LinkedIn, TikTok, or whatever. Just send a message and we can play around and see what kind of a purpose-oriented chatbot we can build for you that has a clear purpose and a clear ROI and a value that can bring for you.
Sounds great.
Yeah. So this is it for this week. We'll see you next week with a new problem and new type of solution from Quince AI. Have a nice week.
Have a nice week, guys. Bye.